Do it again. What's good, YouTube? We back with another video, another haircut tutorial. So we just gonna jump right into this video. As you can see, I'm prepping the hair just by combing it in the direction which is, supposed to be in. And then I use my Gold Babyliss FX's trimmers to go in and create my initial bald line. As I do that, I'm just trying to get everything symmetrical. All around the head, just to make sure that this fade fits this head properly. So after I get all the hair, off the bottom of the head, I like to go in with my clippers. I like to just take all that bulk off, whatever they want to get it down to, whether it's wavelength, a 2 guard or a 3, whatever. I just like to go in and prep for the fade. So all I'm doing is just taking all that hair off. And after I do that, I just go in and I just create my my second guideline, which is gonna be with the clippers all the way open. Give it about a ½ inch to an inch, depending on the head shape and how you want the fade to look. Then as you can see, I'm coming in with my clippers. I got the 1 guard open, and that's just prepping for a nice fade. And as you can see, it's already coming together. You can already see the blend coming together. You can already see the transition coming together. So it's there. You know what I'm saying? All you do is give it about a ½ inch to an inch, and you're good.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
And I go in and I just snap my 1 guard back on, and I just go at that line, that middle line there. I actually might have the 0.5 guard on here, depending. It just depends on how much hair is still there, Guard play and the way you use your clippers is going to be the most important part of a fade. Well, to me it is, because you see I'm coming in at an angle here, and you see the way my client's head is shaped, the dark spots it has because of how his head is shaped. The guard play and the way you hold your clippers, the way you flick your clippers, is all a part of getting that perfect blend, or close to perfect, however you want to say it. So once I'm done with all that, I just go in and I try to attack that bottom line to get that out of there. I'm using my wall magic clips just for that, only because I zero got these kind of to perfection, so it's real easy to get that bottom line out for me with these clippers. just might see me going back and forth with different clippers and different trimmers just to get that bottom line out. Just because that first initial guideline was just a little kind of harsh. So you know what I'm saying? Just take some time, take some rhythm with different clippers, and take all that, man, just to get that line out. But you want to get the line out as much as possible, just for that close to perfect transition for your client.
Purchase your tracks today. Tracks today.
Here I'm just gonna prep my line up with some spritz, brush the line down, you know what I'm saying, so I can bring everything to the front and get prepared for this crispy line up.
Your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
And then here I just go in with my color enhancements on the lineup, you know what I'm saying, just making it a little bit more crispier than it already is. A lot of people, they're not used to color enhancements, but I'm telling you, this takes a haircut from a 10 to a 15, easy. And here I just go in with my Barber Magic pencil, tracing the line and outlining the line, however you want to say it. Got this method from Get Beam, and he says, you know, it's just like when girls use concealer for their eyebrows, we use it the same way for our lineups, you know what I'm saying? Just, it makes the line and pop just a little bit more. Just give it, you know what I'm saying, a little extra oomph. So what I do is work my way from the top to the bottom with haircuts. So once I'm done with the top, then I attack the beard. As you can see, I'm just giving it that fade effect, that blend effect, going into the haircut. Here you see me just using my lever, using my angles of the blade, just to get, you know, that close to perfect blend to blend it in with the cut.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Just like that, this haircut is coming to an end. As you can see, I'm closing out the game right now, finishing up the mustache work, the rest of the beard work. It's all coming together. As you can see, you know, from the lining to the beard, everything is there. It's all there.
Your tracks today.
Personally, I don't even like using these trimmers on the beard, mustache area, or none of that, just because these are my hitters. So you're gonna see me transition from these to those right there. You know what I'm saying? These are more sensitive. I usually use these ones on kids, so I like using these around the beard, around the mustache, underneath the neck, just because it's more catered to sensitive areas. As you can see, the cut has come together pretty nicely. It's coming to an end. All I'm doing is just getting any extra things that I missed out the way from the beard work, just to make sure that I'm good, the cut is good, client is good, and he likes what he got.